Well, hi there everybody. Just grateful that we could have you guys by at the ranch today. Wanted to show you guys some barbed wire that we picked up from one of our friends and neighbors. We're so grateful to have good friends. I think we should all be so blessed. You know, as you guys saw in one of the other videos, we were working on doing some of the structure over here on this side, this fence, and you know, we need a little bit more of the barbed wire for that, and so we're going to be putting some of that stuff away, doing a little bit of bobcat work over here. So we'll take you guys along for the ride. We also got a little bit more of the mineral block for the goats, so we'll need to go put that out for them and put it away, and then we'll be heading out of here for the rest of the day. So yeah, thank you guys for stopping. Also, if there's anything in here that you guys are finding value in and are grateful for being able to see, we'd really welcome and appreciate the subscriptions and the likes and comments and shares. We're so grateful. We have gotten so many views and so many subscriptions here over the last couple of weeks. We are just unbelievably grateful. So yeah, thanks for coming along for the ride, everybody, and we're going to get to work. All right. Back with you. Just got to get a couple of straps pulled off here, and then we can get to work. Well, thank all of you for spending a little bit of time with us. We're so grateful that we got to spend a little bit of time with you. We are very, very thankful for all of you who have subscribed, shared, liked. I know a lot of times I'm probably not the funniest person, nor do I really know what I'm doing on camera, but this is all a journey. It's all a ride. And we're just grateful that you guys are on it with us. So if you have enjoyed something that you've seen, if you would do us please a favor and send it out to friends or family or people that might get to enjoy this ride with us. So again, thank you all very much. We got to take this guy out and do some snow removal. So maybe we'll get that on another video here in just a little bit. But for now, signing out, and thank you all very, very much. Bye-bye.